We all know that our strengths and weaknesses helps us determine the types of work that suits us the best. However, have you given much thought recently as to what your strengths and weaknesses currently are? In this video, we'll give you a few tips that will help you figure out where your true passions lie so they can help guide your next job, project, or life choice. Success can be yours. In order to succeed, you need to have a realistic idea of your strengths and weaknesses. Once you know these, you can play to your strengths and emphasize what you do uniquely well for others, while at the same time working on improving your weak points. Remember that a weakness is just a skill that you haven't fully developed yet. Anything can be learned. So start by brainstorming. Take 30 minutes and make 2 lists, one for strengths and one for weaknesses. Frame your weaknesses in positive language, something like areas that need work. If you're not sure or are having trouble thinking of things, here's another approach. Write down everything you do in the course of your work. Put each item in one of the 2 categories. We don't always understand by ourselves what we're good at, so use feedback from others to make your list. What are some things others regularly praise you for? What do people often ask you for help with? Identify some major successes you've had in your life and the strength that enabled them. Look back to the past and find things you've struggled with or felt that you didn't do a great job on. These can go on your needs work list. What tasks do you find particularly stressful? This is a sign that it's something you need to work on. You're looking in particular for unique strengths, so try to identify some things you do well that others don't, or unique ways you do them well. Once you're finished brainstorming, you'll have a good idea of your strengths and weaknesses to help you plan for your business. If you'd like more tips like this, consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.